Hello, global traders and future logistics experts. Welcome back to the channel, where we turn the complex world of international shipping into something simple, exciting, and understandable. I'm your host, OnTact Mind, and today we are about to embark on an adventure into the heart of global commerce. Imagine this. You're a seasoned explorer, about to embark on a journey that will take you across oceans and borders. But instead of a treasure map, you have shipping documents. These aren't just pieces of paper. They are your keys to navigating the intricate waters of international trade, ensuring your cargo reaches its destination safe and sound, without any hiccups at customs. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind the essential documents that make this all possible. Whether you're a student just starting out, a business person looking to explore globally, or someone simply curious about how goods make their way around the world, you're in the right place. We're diving into the world of commercial invoices, bills of lading, certificates of origin, and more. Each document is like a character in our story, with its own role to play in ensuring that goods travel smoothly across borders. So, grab a cup of coffee, and let's explore how these documents keep the wheels of international trade turning. We're stepping into the fascinating world of international trade, where each document you handle plays a pivotal role in the smooth movement of goods across borders. Understanding these documents not only simplifies the process, but empowers you to engage confidently in global trade. Let's explore the essential shipping documents that make international trade seamless, ensuring every shipment reaches its destination without a hitch. This presentation serves as a comprehensive guide to the essential shipping documents required for customs clearance, designed to provide undergraduate students and global trade beginners with a clear understanding of their importance and application in foreign trade. Before diving deep, let's take a moment to grasp the big picture. Imagine each document as a key, unlocking a specific door in the journey of your shipment. Now let me introduce an overview of key shipping documents. The commercial invoice outlines transaction details between the buyer and seller, including prices, terms of sale, product descriptions, and HS codes. It acts as a request for payment and provides customs authorities with the information needed to assess duties and taxes. Packing list itemizes the contents of each package within a shipment. It includes details like the number and type of packages, the weight and dimensions of each package, and the specific goods contained within each one. It assists customs officials in verifying the contents of the shipment. Bill of lading is a legally binding document that serves as a contract between the shipper and the carrier, detailing the terms of the shipment. It outlines the goods being transported, the destination, the agreed-upon charges, and the responsibilities of each party. This document is essential for customs clearance as it establishes proof of shipment. Certificate of origin is, as the name S, a document that proves the origin. A document certifying the country of origin of the goods being shipped. This document is crucial for customs officials to determine if any preferential trade agreements or import duties apply. It also helps verify the authenticity of the goods. Let's explore each key shipping document one by one. The commercial invoice is more than just a bill. It's a detailed story of your transaction, a testament of trust between buyer and seller. It outlines everything from the buyer and seller details to the product descriptions, HS codes, and the total value of the transaction. While there is no standard global format for a commercial invoice, the document should be clear, professional, and include all necessary details for both the buyer and customs authorities. The next important shipping document is the packing list. Packing list provides customs officials with a clear view of what's inside each container, ensuring that everything matches the commercial invoice. It helps ensure that all items are accounted for and correctly classified. Picture a neatly packed box. Now multiply that by thousands. How do you keep track? That's where the packing list comes in. It's your roadmap, detailing every item, every package, weight, and dimension. Precision here means fewer delays and a smoother journey for your goods. The bill of lading. Think of it as a ticket to ride. This document is not just a receipt, it's a contract between you, the shipper, and the carrier. It outlines the goods, the destination, and the responsibilities of each party. It's your proof that the goods have been shipped, and it serves as a document of title, giving you the legal right to the goods once they arrive. The bill of lading, BOL, is crucial for proving ownership of goods and can be transferred to others as a negotiable instrument, enabling the sale or transfer of ownership while goods are in transit. I would like to include the surrender bill of lading, a version of the bill of lading that is frequently used in actual transactions. In the fast-paced world of trade, sometimes speed is of the essence. Surrender bill of lading is a standard bill of lading that has been surrendered by the shipper to the carrier, usually at the port of origin, a type of document used in international shipping that facilitates the release of goods without the need for the physical transfer of original bills of lading. It is commonly used when speed and convenience are priorities in the shipping process. While convenient, using a surrender bill of lading requires trust between the parties, as the consignee receives the goods without the physical document. The surrender of the bill of lading is typically done when the consignee has fulfilled their payment obligations. The certificate of origin might seem like a simple piece of paper, but it carries immense weight. It certifies where the goods come from, which is critical for customs authorities. Why? Because it determines if any preferential trade agreements apply, affecting duties and tariffs. It's your passport for fair trade, ensuring that your goods meet the necessary standards and benefit from trade agreements. And it's important to understand that certificates of origin come in various formats, depending on the specific trade agreement. Just as countries have different passports, there are different certificates for different trade agreements. For example, the EUR.1 certificate allows for reduced tariffs within the European Union, while Form A provides developing countries with preferential treatment, giving them a competitive edge in the market. Knowing which certificate applies to your transaction can be the difference between a profitable deal and one burdened with unnecessary costs. On these 2 pages, we will look at documents additionally requested for customs clearance depending on goods characteristics. Dangerous Goods Declaration. DGD safety is paramount. When shipping hazardous materials, the Dangerous Goods Declaration becomes essential. It's more than compliance. It's about ensuring the safety of everyone involved in the transportation process. This document communicates crucial information about the nature of the goods, ensuring that they are handled with care, protecting lives, and preventing environmental harm. Health is wealth, and nowhere is this more evident than in the shipping of food and agricultural products. Sanitary and phytosanitary certificates guarantee that these goods meet the health standards of the destination country. They protect public health by ensuring that food is safe and plant materials are free from harmful pests and diseases. These certificates are your assurance that what you're shipping is safe and compliant. Sanitary certificates is issued for food products, animal products, and other goods that require inspection to ensure compliance with specific sanitary standards. And phytosanitary certificates is issued for plants, plant products, and other materials that could potentially carry plant pests or diseases. Accuracy and timeliness are the cornerstones of successful international trade. Think of these documents as your trade partners. They need to be complete, accurate, and timely. Missing or incorrect documents can lead to costly delays, fines, or even shipment rejections. Moreover, accurate documentation fosters trust and transparency between traders, customs authorities, and other stakeholders involved in the global supply chain. It's about being proactive, not just reactive, in the fast-paced world of global trade. Thank you very much for visiting our Trade Wines Today channel and watching this video. I am OnTact Mind and hope to see you again with another great content.